Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Motivation Corner, your daily dose of inspiration and positivity. If you're looking to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and a positive mindset, you're in the right place. In today's video, we've got an incredible daily morning motivation routine that will set the tone for your day and help you seize every opportunity that comes your way. So let's dive right in and make every morning count. The first step to a powerful morning is waking up with gratitude. As soon as you open your eyes, take a moment to express thanks for the gift of a brand new day. Gratitude sets the foundation for a positive outlook and attracts more good things into your life. Next, let's awaken our body and mind with some gentle stretching and deep breaths. This not only improves blood circulation but also clears your thoughts, leaving you refreshed and focused. Now it's time for some powerful affirmations. Repeat positive statements aloud such as I am capable, I am confident, I am ready to conquer the day. Affirmations build self-belief and reinforce your inner strength. Visualization is a key ingredient for success. Take a moment to visualize your goals and dreams as if they've already been achieved. Feel the excitement and joy of your accomplishments. This practice sets your mind on a path towards achievement and empowers you to make it a reality. Mindfulness meditation brings a sense of calmness and clarity. Focus on your breath and be present in the moment. Let go of any distractions and embrace the serenity within you. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Eating well in the morning enhances your energy levels and boosts your mood. Remember, you are what you eat. Before you head out, jot down a few things you're grateful for in your gratitude journal. This practice reinforces positivity and helps you keep things in perspective throughout the day. Lastly, set your intentions for the day. Decide what you want to accomplish and how you'll stay motivated. Having clear intentions empowers you to stay focused and make progress. There you have it, your daily morning motivation routine to kickstart your day with energy and positivity. Remember, the way you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. So, make the most of this routine and watch how it transforms your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Motivation Corner for more empowering content. As always, stay inspired and keep pushing towards your dreams. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and make it a great day.